6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Hello there YouTube, today I come to you with a great giveaway that we're going to do soon, which will be in March 2024. So this giveaway is about these Garolite plates that you can get for free. So any size you like is available, big sizes, little sizes, all of them, these Garolite, beautiful Garolites, in collaboration with VPSData. We're going to give away 3 of these, and only thing you have to do is subscribe on the channel, hit the thumbs up and comment down below as #giveaway. So you participate on this giveaway that will be drawn live at Aim6Max YouTube channel. It's an international giveaway, so wherever you're from in the world, you will get one of these shipped to you ASAP after you win, of course. You can check in the description below where the VPSData website is, so you can see what is available on the website. Thank you for your time. Bye!